So in this video, I want to talk about the portfolio. If we go to the portfolio now, we'll see that there's nothing here in the portfolio at all. That's because we haven't added any portfolio items. So let's come on in here and let's add a portfolio item. Come over to portfolio, and if we go in just to look at our portfolios, we'll see this similar interface that we see all over the place in WordPress. And we'll see, once again, right up here, a way to add a new portfolio, and also right there, a way to add a new portfolio item. So I'm going to call this test portfolio item 1. And I'll just put this is the content for this item. Okay. Now, down here, I can also put an excerpt. This is the excerpt for this item. On this particular portfolio item, I'm not going to allow comments. We'll allow trackbacks and pingbacks, that's fine, but let's not allow any comments on that particular page. This isn't a video. If this was a video, I could actually put in like the embed code that you get from YouTube. Per se, I could actually put that right in here, as a matter of fact, and instead of embedding an image, I could embed a video. But I want to embed an image in here, and so I'm going to come down to Set Featured Image, and I'm going to click on Upload Files. And we were working with a file earlier, a test file earlier, and I took that file and I turned it into a 500 pixel by 500 pixel image, right there. There we are. So now I'm going to click Set Featured Image, and that's going to set that 500 by 500 pixel image. Then I'm going to click Publish. Now I'm going to come back over here to the front of the site and over to Portfolio. Now you'll see we have a portfolio item. See, now we have, this is the excerpt for this item, and we get the title for the portfolio item. If we're logged in, we get edit. If not, we just get details. Now I can click on this, and that'll give me a full-size image of that. If it was a video, it'd pop up and show me the video. I can click on this, and it'll go to the main page for the portfolio item, and it'll show me the picture full. And once again, if it was a really large picture, which you could put a really large picture in there, but I wouldn't advise doing that because it's going to scale it down. It's going to look funny. So you're going to want to have control over how you scale images in this particular system, with the exception, of course, of the background images on the front page. The system it scales those, but it doesn't scale them to a degree to where it's going to skew them and actually damage the quality of the picture. So anyway, as you'll see, the content is listed right here next to the portfolio item. If this picture was much bigger, the content would come down here and it would wrap down here instead of wrapping over to the side. It will also show that this portfolio item was created on this day and it was created by admin. So if you don't, for instance, if you don't want these items here, you can let us know and we can actually come in through the code and we can manually hide those so those don't show up. So okay, so I've created this. I've created the portfolio item here. Sorry, now I don't need this portfolio item anymore, so I want to delete it. So we're going to go ahead and go back into our portfolio field. You'll see we get once again a very similar interface, and which shows our little thumbnail over here. I'm going to come over here and click Trash to send this portfolio item to the trash. And then once again go into trash, and I can delete the item permanently from there. And remember, as you see, every time when I do that, it doesn't matter whether I'm sending something to the trash or I'm deleting it. It does not ask me if I want to delete it. It just deletes that. So now when we come back over to the portfolio page, we'll see that our portfolio item is now gone. So that is how you add and delete portfolio items in the Avalon Acting and Modeling Center website.